From anti-aircraft missiles to advanced warplanes and stealth drones, China is now at the leading edge on a range of technologies. China's impressive efforts to modernize its armed forces to design intermediate-range missiles and hypersonic weapons has increased the country's military capabilities at sea, in the air, and space. The country today possesses some of the world's most advanced systems, and in some cases, it has even surpassed its rivals, projecting an image of strength, confidence, and self-sufficient power. Today, let's look at the top 10 most potent Chinese military weapons from the land to the sea and everything in between. Chengdu J20. China's J20, also officially named Weilong or Powerful Dragon, is considered to be one of the world's most advanced fighter jets. It is the country's response to the American F-22 Raptor. China's aim was to develop an advanced aircraft that will improve its regional power projection capabilities. It is a single-seat, 5th-generation stealth jet designed as an air superiority fighter with precision strike capabilities, making it ideal for penetrating the enemy's air defenses. The plane has a maximum speed of over 2,470 km per hour, which is even faster than the speed of sound. The jet is 21 meters long, it has a wingspan of almost 13 meters and a weight of around 19,000 kilograms. The J-20 can carry up to 6 air-to-air missiles and longer-range missiles, including the LS-6 precision-guided bomb. The aircraft owns an advanced fly-by-wire system, and its fire control radar is an active electronically scanned array. 2 additional windows are set under the rear fuselage, and 2 more are placed on the top of the forward fuselage, giving the crew a full 360 degrees coverage. The J-20's frontal stealth makes it a capable long-range interceptor, and it's best suited for damaging critical infrastructure on the ground. China's criteria for defining aircraft generation differs from international standards, so the J-20 may serve as a critical asset for both the Navy and the Air Force. It has been described as a fighter that's more advanced than any other fighter being deployed by Asia-Pacific countries. Sharp Sword Drone. The Sharp Sword UCAV, Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, also known as Lijian in Mandarin Chinese, is China's most stealthy and high-tech attack drone. It is the first non-NATO UCAV of its kind and considered to be better than that used by all military in the West. In the year 2017, it won the 2nd place in the National Science and Technology Advancement Prizes. The drone is capable of successfully delivering weapons by a remotely located pilot and doing surveillance out at sea. Looking a bit like a mini B-2 flying wing, the drone owns 2 internal bomb bays that have the capacity of guarding and dropping more than 4,000 bombs, including smart bombs, missiles, and high-tech radar jammers. It has a length of 33 feet and a wingspan of 46 feet. Its engine is a non-afterburning WS-13 turbofan 1 with a serpentine inlet to hide the engine from enemy radars. The drone is expected to be used for reconnaissance missions and for tracking foreign warships. Rumors say that the Sharp Sword may also be used as an aerial refueling tanker for other aircraft. The UCAV pushes China into technological terrain that's been long dominated by the USA. Dongfeng 41 Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, IBM. The Dongfeng 41, also called CSS-X-10, is a Chinese-made road mobile intercontinental ballistic missile, IBM. It is currently the most powerful and deadliest IBM in the world. It has an operational array that falls between 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers, surpassing the American LGM-10 Minuteman at 13,000 kilometers. Its range is long enough to reach targets in the USA, Europe, and Russia in only 25 minutes. The missile is powerful enough to wipe out an entire country. It's got a length of approximately 12 meters, a diameter of 2.25 meters, and a weight of 80,000 kilograms. The DF-41 missile is mounted on a 16-wheeled transporter erector launcher that allows it to move through roadless terrain and launch a missile from any point along its route. The weapon carries up to 10 multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles and an internal navigation system that provides an accuracy of 100 to 500 meters CEP. China is the second country after Belarus that's been capable of designing and producing vehicles of ultra-heavy intercontinental missiles. Even Russia, who historically has used road-mobile IBMs, lacks the technology and expertise that China has. It is now in service of China's 2nd Artillery Corps. Type 99 Main Battle Tank, MBT. Also known as the ZTZ-99 or WZ-123, this third-generation MBT was designed and manufactured by the local defense industry for the People's Liberation Army. It is China's most advanced MBT and the top 5 MBTs in the world. It indeed represents a shift towards rapid modernization by the PLA. It's got strong bulletproof capabilities, a nuclear, biological, and chemical protection system, a global positioning system, and fire detection. Its deep fording kit includes snorkel, and it can cross waters 4.5 meters deep. The main armament is a 2-plane stabilized 125mm smoothbore gun that can be used to fire under manual or computerized control. The tank can carry up to 42 rounds, including 22 in the autoloader. The commanders have a stabilized 360 degrees day and night panoramic sight, and a laser jamming device is mounted on the roof to blind an enemy gunner. It is equipped with an improved fire control system that includes new thermal imaging scope and weather measurement sensors. This means that the ballistic trajectory is much better under adverse conditions. It can also be elevated to a high angle to jam helicopters. Furthermore, it has a new explosive reactive armor that can defeat a new generation anti-tank missile. Type 054 Stealth Missile Frigate. This warship was introduced in the mid-2000s, and it is believed to be the first real stealth frigate of China's navy. It is an improved version of the Jiangkai II. In comparison, the new 054 has a lighter and stealthier main gun, better sensors, more surface-to-air missiles, and an improved close-in weapon system. Additionally, it has an improved range of 50 kilometers, and it can attack up to 40 targets simultaneously from literally any angle at a speed of approximately 120 kilometers. The warship is built of radar-absorbent material, and it possesses 2 18-tube decoy rocket launches that fire chaff to distract the enemies. The vessel became the backbone of China's new generation fleet, and since its service, it has participated successfully in many international voyage activities such as anti-piracy. J10 Fighter Aircraft. The J10 Fighter is also known as Menglong or Vigorous in China and as Firebird in the West. It is an all-weather multitask fighter aircraft designed for air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. It is available in both single and double seats. The aircraft has 23mm single-barrel cannons, 90mm unguided rocket pods, 11 external weapon pylons, and it can carry an auxiliary fuel tank. It's one of the rare aircrafts that have an in-flight refueling capability. The J-10 carries up to 500 kilograms of laser-guided bombs and free-fall bombs. It's got the ability to track 10 targets simultaneously while attacking 4 of them. It has a detection range of 100 kilometers and a fitted fly-by-wire system. 052C Anti-Aircraft Missile Destroyer. Informally referred to as the Chinese Aegis, the design of this destroyer incorporates Russian and Chinese indigenous systems. It introduced a flat-paneled active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar system with 4 statically mounted antennas for 360-degree coverage and a vertically launched surface-to-air missiles. The destroyer uses a vertical launching system that's not limited to anti-air missiles. This quality makes the destroyer China's first dedicated multi-role destroyer. The destroyer has a beam of 16.5 meters, a draft of 6 meters, and a length of 153 meters. It's considered as the first warship in the People's Liberation Army Navy to provide air defense for long-range fleets. It is equipped with AESA, L-band radar, as well as both variable depth, VDS, and linear towed array sonar. The full load displacement of the vessel weighs around 7,000 tons, and it can accommodate up to 250 crew members. What makes this destroyer unique is that it has a sturdy helicopter deck and hangar to support the K-828 Helix naval helicopter. The helicopter carries depth charges and torpedoes that can be operated in all weather conditions. Sources state that the 052D is equipped with the newest Chinese data link and it won the State Science and Technology Prize upon completion. Dongfeng 31 Intercontinental Ballistic Missile. The DF-31A Intercontinental Ballistic, NATO reporting named CSS-9, is an improved version of the original DF-31. Instead of one, it carries 3 to 4 MIRV units with 20, 90, or 150 KT capacity each. It has a length of 13 meters, a diameter of 2.25 meters, and a launch weight of 42,000 kilograms. It is a 3-stage, solid-fueled missile with a long range that can reach between 8,000 and 11,700 kilometers, giving the country an effective second-strike nuclear capability against other countries. This IBM has the potential to strike all areas in the USA, Europe, and Russia. Its design has incorporated some advanced technology, including advanced material, the fake warhead used when breaking into the enemy's warning, an updated transporter erector launcher, and a robust defense system. It is suggested that it has an accuracy of a minimum of 150 meters. Hence, it's got an improved survivability rate. The missiles are carried in a large canister that's completely enclosed and mounted on an 8-wheels trailer. These details provide China with a dominant striking capability that's hard to be hindered and indeed narrows the gap between current Chinese, Russian, and American ballistic missile designs. Dongfeng 17. What makes a Dongfeng 17 unique is that it carries a hypersonic glide instead of conventional re-entry warheads that are usually found in ballistic missiles and MIRVs. It is designed to move faster than a ballistic missile, which is why it's called hypersonic. A hypersonic glide is an ultra-modern system that makes missiles very hard or almost impossible to interact with. Rather than landing and firing in a normal arch, it suppresses its trajectory and accelerates. It is due to its lower altitude trajectory and high speed that intercepting the glide vehicle becomes very difficult. It can make abrupt changes in different directions, making it more difficult than usual to knock out of the sky. It has an estimated range of 2,000 kilometers, and it's capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear payloads. It's considered as the most diverse missile force in the world. Beidou Satellite Navigation System. Beidou is China's independently developed navigation satellite system. With both military and civilian applications, this navigation satellite system will make China independent of foreign rivals as it aims to meet the needs of the country's national security as well as economic and social development. China hopes that the system will help to fight modern wars that require precision-guided weapons. The system will orbit the Earth, and it will be able to specify a location to 10 centimeters of accuracy for military use in comparison with the GPS's 30 centimeters. The Beidou even offers a messaging service, enabling mass communication between groups and individuals. It is stated that as of 2017, 22 million vehicles and 50,000 fishing vessels have been fitted with the Beidou device so that their movements can be monitored and tracked in real time. The system is still under construction, but with its completion, coverage will only grow. So, there you have it. The top 10 Chinese military weapons. The Chinese media seem determined to let the world know about their powerful weapons. Some observers suspect that the country is trying to convey a message to its citizens and rivals, but let's all hope that these military weapons won't be used. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope you've learned from the list. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you know when a new video arrives. Many more exciting videos are on their way, so stay tuned. See you soon.